It's another epic unboxing. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Wow, 11,700 subscribers. Kicking goals.
Yeah, we're getting there, aren't we?
What are we doing?
We are doing something we haven't done for ages, and that's unboxing some platinum.
Platinum. Now we showed off some kangaroo platinum semi-recently.
Oh yeah, that's
We
right.
did we'll put a link above to that one right now, but this is some different platinum.
This is foreign platinum.
Foreign platinum?
Yes.
And a little bit of gold,
Exotic.
possibly. Bit of gold as well?
Yeah, people say, how can you not know what's coming in? It gets to a point where you actually just kind of forget what you ordered, because we must have ordered these 4 months ago.
Wow.
And they delivered them fairly quickly. However, they got stuck in Australian customs for an extended break.
That's a whole other episode, a whole other video unto itself.
It certainly is.
All right, let's do it. Go,
Let's
come
get
on.
into it.
Yeah, let's get into it. Excellent. So we think we know what might be in here, but it's kind of a bit of a surprise.
No, we don't.
We don't? We have no idea? Okay.
I keep making suggestions and then thinking,
Okay.
No,
All right.
I don't
Okay.
know what we ordered.
Fair enough. How's life?
Life is good.
Life is good.
Life is good.
Excellent. Life is busy.
Always.
Yeah.
But we'd be complaining if it wasn't.
Yep, absolutely.
All right, so in the first box we have not platinum.
Oh, okay, cool. This is the possible gold.
This is the possible gold.
All right,
So,
excellent.
and there's been a few people hanging out for these.
Okay.
So they are maple leaves.
Hey!
They're gold maples, I think.
Excellent. Oh, they're definitely gold maples.
But I will get a glove out and we will have a look.
With the signature red lidded tube.
Yeah.
Yep. This, if you've never seen, if you've never seen how multiple gold maples come packaged, they're in small tubes of 10.
They are. Now what I don't know is if these are randoms or if these are 2020s.
Okay.
Because
Why would they not be 2021s? Not yet?
not yet. Yeah, these are randoms.
Okay.
So this one's a 2012. I'd assume it's a full tube of 2012s.
Okay.
So I don't know. Should I open? I'll probably need to open all three. Won't I?
Turn it over just so we can see the old date there. Yeah, 2012s. Okay. I would take a good guess that they're all going to be 2012s. Let's just pull out a couple.
Yep, they're all 2012s.
Okay. Cool.
So they're 2012s.
Yep.
So I'll just open one of the other boxes and just make sure that we got three. Well, this one's a half empty box.
Ah, okay.
So this one's already different.
We will put these up on the website as random date or random year, I think we call them gold maples.
Yes, that's correct.
Yep,
They're
so
2012s.
if you're watching this, they'll be up on the website right now until sold out, of course.
So it looks like at this stage you're going to get 2012s
Cool.
under the random
It's okay.
date.
Gold is gold.
Yep, 2012s.
2012s. Yep. That would be it. Yep.
They're
Beautiful.
beautiful maples.
Oh, we love gold maples. Yeah, absolutely.
Excellent. So that's the first tuber.
Cool. All right, chuck that box away.
No, not going to chuck the box away.
Okay.
Now I can chuck the box away.
Recycle. Reuse. Oh, there's more in the box. Okay.
There's more in the box.
Oh, okay, cool.
So these are
What do we got?
our Combis.
Ah, cool.
So these are platinum.
Okay.
I can lose that.
And I will put a link. I'll link it again above to the video that you did about the platinum kangaroos, because you actually talked in depth about why platinum might be a good buy at the moment.
So it's not a bad idea
Do you
to
wanna-
view it.
Yeah.
So that's the platinum there.
Beautiful. Oh, we're getting platinum in spades now. That's great.
And then the other side with their security lines. I don't know what they actually
Oh,
they're
and right there. Yeah, sure.
And you can see these are all certificated. Certificate. Where did that word come from? These are all certified.
Certificated.
Yeah.
All right.
They come with a fancy number on the top.
Okay.
So that's those ones.
Very cool. Excellent.
Next box.
Yep, good. Giving you a different view here right now. This is
You're on my better side, eh?
yes, it's part of your contract that you sign. Like, don't film me from one side. Careful. Don't cut me.
You stress too much.
Yeah.
I've only ever sliced myself with this once.
Really?
On camera.
Uh-huh. Oh, that's right. You did do it on camera.
All right.
Let's take a look-see.
This is the problem with these boxes. Is every so often they hide something in the bottom, so you have to strip them right down.
Right.
Hey! I didn't even know I'd ordered these. There you go.
Oh. What?
Yep.
Oh, cool.
Very cool, actually.
Oh, very cool.
So, glove back on.
Nice.
So, gold fillies.
Gold Philharmonics in that one right there. Where are we?
Open her up.
I love the tube. That's so cool.
It is. It's almost a shame to open it.
It really is, yeah. I don't think I've seen gold fillies come in their tube before.
Oh, really?
I don't think so.
They're a great tube.
Yeah. It's kind of it's sad, but it's not. It's like, oh man, what a great tube! It's such a good tube. It's like a piece. It's like a piece of plastic. Oh man, it's such a good tube.
So that's the gold filly.
Yeah, I just love the filly design. And it's the same every year, but it's just fillies are great.
But they've gone. I mean, it's Austrian, so there's a reason why they've done it, but they haven't gone for the standard type of stuff. I mean, the flip side of it is all these beautiful musical instruments.
Yeah.
And they're just...
It's just a nice... And,
Yeah.
I like the non-reeded edge of the... Oh, damn it. Okay.
Say, what are you talking about?
So the gold is obviously a reeded edge. What am I
Yeah.
talking about? I'm talking about that. But the silver is not.
No.
The silver does not have reeded edges like that.
Yeah.
And the reeded edge was originally... I mean, almost anyone can do it now, but it was originally back... it was a security feature.
Yes,
wasn't it?
Absolutely.
That's why it wasn't for show, it was for a security reason. But it's been so long that people have been doing reeded edges that, almost anyone could do it now, I guess. But that's why they keep adding more, secure features as the years go by. And this is...
Gold Britannias.
Lovely. 2021s.
Yep.
Have we ever unboxed, done an official 2021 gold?
Britannia.
Yeah,
No.
1 ounce before. Oh, okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's your official 2021 Gold Britannia 1 ounce coin unboxing.
Who says we plan these videos out?
Exactly. Very cool. All right.
The thing I love about these is you're getting exotic flavour to your stack, and you don't pay a heck of a lot more for these
Not really,
than
no.
you do for locally produced type coins.
Absolutely.
So you can get the Austrian Philharmonic, you can get the UK Britannia in gold, and it's just something different, and they're nice designs.
They are. They're very nice. And this has the all new, I think it's 4 extra security features on the 2021 coins.
Yeah.
We'll put a link above to the silver one that we did. It was a few months ago now, but we did compare the 2020 and the 2021, and we talked about the different security features.
So,
And we received 10 of those.
Yep.
Cool. In that
Tube.
in that tube at least.
Yep.
And what the blazes is this?
This is the one I was hanging out for. So
What's
this
this?
is a 5 ounce bar.
5 ounce
of
bar of what?
Platinum.
A PAMP.
Let me just make sure it is. Yes, it is platinum.
It's a PAMP Platinum
It's a-
Fortuna bar.
Yeah.
I've never seen one in the flesh.
I have seen them, but you don't see them very often, particularly in Australia.
Oh wow!
So
I've been in this industry for a while now,
And
and
it
I've
comes-
never seen one in the flesh.
certificated.
Yep. Yeah. Can you turn it? Can you landscape it for me, please? There. Other side, please. Oh my! Upside down, Jane. Thank you very much. All right, PAMP. Beautiful. Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah.
That's a very low serial number as well. Look at that.
Yeah.
Of that particular run, I guess. 5 ounce
if you-
Platinum Fortuna bar in the beautiful... Oh, that's so
You
cool.
thought you had all the Lady Fortunas?
Yes.
Guess what?
You don't.
You don't.
Okay.
There's another one.
Nice. That'll be up on the website.
It
well,
will probably be up on the website.
Okay. Sure.
But it will go fairly quickly.
Right.
So,
Cool. Alrighty.
going as fast as I can, mate.
Look at this. Yeah, Fast Game's a good game. I really just... I can touch this without a glove because this is
That one you can,
the plastic, yeah. That's just beautiful. And look, it looks like the silver one, but it's 5 ounce size, and it's Platinum Lady Fortuna, man. And again, I will put a link above. I've probably done it 2 times already. To the video about where Michael talks about why platinum might be a decent investment at the moment. What? Ooh, hello.
I thought this was a platinum unboxing.
That's what I thought. Well, that's what you told me.
Well, it was meant to be.
Okay.
So we have some 1 ounce. I can't call them cheap, but some 1 ounce Credit Suisse platinums.
Oh, they're platinum bars.
Just
okay.
Little platinum bars.
Right. Oh, cool. They're all the cheap and cheerful Credit Suisse bars.
They are.
Very cool.
Always, and we mentioned this. Oh, I better get glove on. We mentioned this in the other video that Joe's linked to about how platinum premiums are higher because it's a more difficult metal to work with.
Yeah, and customers will also note if you've never bought platinum before, the purity is 999.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's as best as they can get it. And that's all it needs to be classed as bullion grade platinum.
Absolutely. So here we go. Oh, I've forgotten about these. You're going to love this one, mate.
What? What's that?
This is platinum. I'll show you the back first.
Is that a Britannia?
Almost.
What is that?
Close, but no cigar.
No, what is it?
So the correct mint.
So it's the Royal Mint?
It's the Royal Mint.
Yeah.
And then if you look on the other side.
Oh! Hang on. So this is a 1 ounce platinum lot. What? So that's the white line of Mortimer from the
Queen's
Royal
Beast.
From the Royal
The
Queen's Beast
Sorry,
series.
you're right. Queen's Beast.
So this
series.
is the Queen's Beasts
In
platinum 1 ounce coin.
Yes.
That's wicked.
2021 edition.
Oh, that's cool. Okay, that's really cool. All right, and we received a tube of 10 of those.
I think we actually might have received
8?
I can't remember
it
if
looks
this
like
was,
8 maybe.
I can't remember.
Is it a full
if
tube?
It should be a full tube.
Okay. Oh, we've got another tube. Okay.
And I
That's
can't
so
remember.
cool.
It is. I'd forgotten all about that.
All right. Okay, we've got a great assortment right here, and we're going to get to whatever they are.
These ones are the same.
Okay.
I wasn't sure if they'd released the other one when we released when we bought these or not.
Yep. White line of Mortimer 1 ounce platinum coin. So cool.
Incredibly cool.
Very cool.
So we'll seal those off, and then we'll look at an oldie in a slightly new, size.
Okay.
So this is the Combi Bar.
Oh, okay. That can be, yeah, right.
We're gonna. I don't know if you want to link to the explanation on Combi Bars.
Yeah, I'll do that one.
But this one is the 1 ounce Combi Bar.
Oh, we could have separated all this and done individual videos, but it doesn't matter.
We could have, but this is a good one.
This is cool.
So if you don't know what the Combi Bars are, they're like, we call them Kit Kat bars, or they have a couple of other names, but effectively they come in various sizes, and you can actually snap them, and it looks better on this side. You can actually snap them down to smaller amounts. So it means, and I'm getting terrible reflection on there for you.
That's okay. So you keep it still and I'll move it.
So you pay, in this case it's a 1 ounce bar, and you can break it into 1/10 of an ounce.
That is so cool.
You'll actually find you're paying a higher premium for a 1 ounce bar than you would for a normal 1 ounce bar, but you're paying a much cheaper premium for 1/10 bars.
That's right.
Which is effectively what you're buying is 10 1/10s.
That's right.
And you can, and being gold, it's very malleable. Yeah. So you can break them off fairly easily.
Yeah.
And they come in a variety of sizes, but we've never had the 1 ounce before.
No, I mean, how long have they been doing the 1 ounce for?
A while, but I can't tell you how long.
We just never got it in ourselves.
Yeah, I've seen them in Berlin a couple of times.
Okay. Because people love the Combi bars, particularly, you can break them into the grams, but they've only been in the gram size that I've seen personally. Yeah. That's so awesome.
It's just a bit of fog disappearing. It's not a marker or anything.
No. Okay. Yeah, watch it go. There we go. Combi 1 ounce / 10 times 1/10 of an ounce gold bars, serialized. Yep. Certificated.
That's right.
Yep.
I'm not going to leave that word down.
Nope. How many did we receive?
About 20 of them off the top of my head.
Okay.
2, 4, maybe only 10. I thought it was 20. But it looks like there's only 10 in there.
Okay. Well, they'll be on the website.
They will be.
Until sold.
Yeah, and they will sell fairly quickly.
Yep.
So get into the platinum while you can. We've got some very unusual platinum in here, and it's not platinum that's normally imported into the country. We had the chance to grab a few different ones, so we did.
Okay.
And the same with the gold. I don't know, particularly getting supplies out of Europe these days is always a bit interesting for obvious reasons. So if you're into that sort of thing, my suggestion is grab them while you can. We may be able to get them again towards the end of the year, but I'm absolutely not guaranteeing them. We've got them now. Grab them if you're interested, and don't regret it.
It's that way at the moment. If it's here, grab it if you can, and don't think about it if you don't have to. All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. That's an epic unboxing. I wasn't sure how epic it was gonna be. I was kind of the singing and the thing at the start, but now that's definitely epic stuff right there. Platinum, gold, new stuff, great to see.
Yeah.
Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and of course that's it from me.
And from me too.
See you soon.
See ya.